kilalanin po natin si Mitch Kahayon-Oy, who was implicated to be also given kickbacks by Bryce Hernandez in the hearing before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee kahapon, na tinanong po siya ni Senator Ping Lacson kung kanino yung maliit na bunch which is worthing around 60 million pesos. Makilala po natin siya na siya ay kaalyado ni Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez sa Lakas CMD, na kung saan si Romualdez po ang presidente. So, si Mitch Kahayon-Oy po ay na-implicate ng also 10 million Priority Development Assistance Fund for a supposed ghost project in 2009, but na-acquit lang po ng Sandigan Bayan in November 2021 with the court ruling that the ombudsman failed to present sufficient evidence to prove her guilt beyond reasonable doubt. So, si Mary Mitzi Kahayon is currently the Executive Director of the Council for the Welfare of Children, a line agency under the Department of Social Welfare and Development, holding the rank of Undersecretary. She previously served as a congresswoman representing Caloocan 2nd District for 2 terms. Kahayon-Oy was implicated in graft charges related to misuse of 10 million in PDAF for Ghost Project in 2009. So, the fact that Mitch Kahayon-Oy is being addressed as Undersecretary, that means itong pagbibigay ng anomalous flood control kickbacks ay ina-address siya na USEC. So, it could be that sa time na niya dito kay Marcos ang nangyaring mga kickbacks na to, kasi she is being addressed by Bryce Hernandez as USEC. Because right now, she is handling the position of Executive Director, which is equivalent to an Undersecretary's position in the DSWD. And as of yesterday's hearing, she was implicated in an anomalous flood control project with allegations suggesting she received kickbacks from Bulacan Ghost Project. Bryce Hernandez, a former Public Works and Highways District Engineer, testified against her, claiming she got cut from DPWH's flood funds after her involvement in these projects being exposed. Kaya po, siya po ay among the 95 Lakas CMD members who voted to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte in February 2025. Siya po ay congresswoman at that time, at nakakagulat po na siya ay talagang close kay Ferdinand Martin J. Romualdez, and kahit hindi po naprobaran ay talagang meron siyang track record na implicate siya sa mga ganitong schemes in the past. Thank you for listening, and kilalanin po natin sa inyong panunuri ang mga taong ni-raise up both ni Diskaya at ni Bryce Hernandez sa sindikato ng mga pangungulimbat ng mga kaperahan ng ating bayan. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking.